Hi everybody, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. Thanks for coming back to my channel. If you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you're old, thanks for coming back, boo. Alright, so today's video, I will be showing you guys this half up, half down style that I decided to do with some very bomb affordable hair. And this hair you can actually get from the beauty supply store. So I will sit this hair to do a review on. I'll leave the link down below just in case you would like to purchase it online. But I also seen it in a hair store and it was like $29. You can't beat that, sis. So this is how the hair came packaged. These two are like little sample pieces, and then it has the actual pack of hair. But as you can see, it looks really nice, silky, and jet black. So this is what my hair is looking like. I'm going from my previous style as usual. So I'm just going to section it off half up, half down, and go ahead and cornrow the back of my hair. And doesn't matter what size you're doing your braids in the back, but you want to make sure that you have your first braid over to the side. And since this is a protective style, I'm just using some of my handmade hair cream and putting that on to my hair before I braid it. So as you can see here, I braided my hair over to the side so that I won't have a braid all the way at the end where the part is at, so that my tracks can lay really flat. Because if you have your braid over there, then it's going to be like a hump. So make sure you braid it over to the side. And then I'm just putting on a cap and parting my hair with like that little white comb thing so I can know where it's at. If that makes sense. It didn't, but yeah. So here I'm just adding some Morning Glory to it. Well, it's the off brand of Morning Glory. And this is just a glue protectant. I'm running out, so that's why I'm just pouring it on my head like that and just using a color brush to put that on my hair. This way, no glue touches my hair and it's going to be really easy to take off. So once you blow dry that and it's hard, then you can go ahead and apply your tracks. You just want to take it up to the white line. Pretty much that's why we did the white line, so that you'll know where your part is at. So once I add like 2 or 3 tracks, I start to add my tracks and curve it up at the end. So if you can see here, I'm putting it with the end kind of tilted up, so that when the hair is coming down, you won't be able to see the track underneath. And that way you can have your half up, half down style without leave out. And then once I curve it enough, which I probably should have curved it a little bit more, after that I start to lay my tracks down straight up until I get to the white line. So here, as you can see, I have it really flat, and all you see is that little top piece of track that's going to get covered up. Don't worry about that. So with this half up, half down, the styles are endless. You can definitely do the ponytails, 2 buns, yeah, the list goes on. But I decided to just do some really neat straight braids coming back. So I am going to feed it in. So I'm just taking some braiding hair and cutting that in half. So I added some handmade hair cream and then some Gorilla Snot to make my braids, you know, a little sleek and neater. And then I'm just feeding in the hair so that the hair can be long and, you know, flow with the bundles. So that's all I'm doing here, is just braiding them really neat and feeding in the hair. And then once I get down to the end of my hair, I go ahead and add some jam so that my hair won't be sticking out of the braid. So that's all I do, just do those braids really neat. Alright, and then after that, I just go ahead and add some mousse so that any flyaways can just be laid down really flat. That's pretty much what mousse do. Just make it neater and put down your flyaways. So here I'm just taking these wrap strips that I got from the hair store. It's like $2, and blow dry that. And then when I take it off, it looks really neat, like so. I didn't want to do too much with my edges, so I'm just going to swoop them just a little bit. I didn't leave any out, so just swoop a little bit that I wasn't able to pick up in the braid. And as you can see here again, you can see the track. So to cover that up, I'm just gonna take my braids and swoop them over to the side, and then that way you can't see the tracks. Or if you decide to do a ponytail or a bun or something like that, it'll pretty much cover it up because it's just right there in the middle. And then I'm going to dip my ends in some hot water so that I can seal them and they can be straight and neat. And that's what it looks like. Looks really good. So I'm just going to brush that out and then add some oil. Just be careful because I think I added like a little too much oil sheen. But just do that and that's really it. That's the complete look. This is how it looks. The hair is really, really soft. For it to come from, for it to be like beauty supply hair, it is really good. I had this for like 3 days, 3 or 4 days, and all I had to do was really just comb it out. It did get some tangles. However, once I brushed it, it was good to go. So that's what it looks like, and I use 2.5 of the bundles that were sent. So really soft, really silky, looks really good. Easy style that you can do in no time, that's very affordable. And I also pulled it up just in case you want to see how it looks up into like a little mini bun or just a ponytail coming back. And I didn't do any Fulani braids on the side. However, I did pull the 2 side braids down, which gave it like the Fulani look. All right, that's all for this video. Y'all please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.